Dear students, we have already learned that the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant. That is, sin A by sin R is equal to a constant n. Small letter n is the constant here. This constant n is called refractive index. We know that the light is refracted or bent when going from one medium to another because its speed changes, or it slows down or speeds up when it travels from one medium to another. Due to this, the refractive index n can also be written as a ratio of speeds of light in the two media. So, the refractive index can also be defined as the ratio of the speed of light in air or vacuum to the speed of light in the medium. The medium may be glass, water, etc. That is, refractive index of a medium is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in medium. The refractive index of a medium with respect to air is considered as absolute refractive index or simply refractive index. നമ്മൾ പറയുന്ന refractive indexനെ absolute refractive index എന്നും പറയാം. A substance having higher refractive index is optically denser than another substance having low refractive index. Higher the refractive index of a substance, more it will change the direction of a beam of light passing through it. Diamonds have high refractive index. Because of this, they sparkle partly. The shape to which they are cut also helps them to sparkle. അതിൻ്റെ റിഫ്രാക്റ്റീവ് ഇൻഡെക്സും അത് കട്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഷേപ്പുമാണ് അത് തിളങ്ങാൻ കാരണം. Next is relative refractive index. When light is going from one medium other than vacuum to another, then the value of refractive index is called relative refractive index. വാക്വം അല്ലാതെ ഏതെങ്കിലും രണ്ട് മീഡിയം തമ്മിലാണ് ലൈറ്റ് ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ അപ്പോഴുള്ള റിഫ്രാക്റ്റീവ് ഇൻഡെക്സിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ റിലേറ്റീവ് റിഫ്രാക്റ്റീവ് ഇൻഡെക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. For example, if the light travels from water into glass, then the value of refractive index will be the relative refractive index of glass with respect to water, and it always has two subscripts with its symbol n, which indicate the two media in which the light travels. സബ്സ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്തോ എഴുതണം, ഏതൊക്കെ മീഡിയത്തിലാണ് ലൈറ്റ് ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് എഴുതണം. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഇഫ് ദ ലൈറ്റ് ഈസ് ഗോയിങ് ഫ്രം വാട്ടർ ടു ഗ്ലാസ്, the refractive index is written as n water glass. It can be written as NWG. If the light travels from glass to water, then how will we write? We can write it as n glass water or NGW. The refractive index of light going from medium 1 to medium 2 is equal to the reciprocal of the refractive index for light going from medium 2 to medium 1. For example, if medium 1 is air and medium 2 is glass, then the above relation can be written as n air glass is equal to 1 by n glass air, or NAG is equal to 1 by NGA.